everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for, gosh, it's heavy, for the month of January. God, why can I not remember the months? That is, alright you guys, I did get this in the mail a couple of days ago, and my mailman really hates me because it got stabbed twice. So I don't know what happened to it, but I have it. And if you are new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. But with that being said, let's jump on into the unboxing. So I have already cut it open here, as you can see, but I haven't looked inside. I don't know what's in it. So open, and oh, it's a weird, okay, I can't talk. So it looks like we got another makeup bag, and I am really liking these makeup bags that they're sending over. This one is like a marble. Last time we got one that was a really big kind of, oh, it's like this. So this one is kind of like that. This one seems to be a bit shallower. It's not as deep. The other one that they sent last time was my favorite because it was super deep and you could fit so much stuff in there. But this one is still very pretty. I like the marble, and then it's got a pink interior, really cute. By the way, I buy Ipsy with my own money. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I just wanted to make that very clear. The theme for January 2020 is called Clean Slate. So definitely very fitting, and here's what the little card looks like. Starting off the box, I see some face masks. I do love me some face masks. This is the Avette Daily Fresh Squeeze face masks. They are Korean beauty. I freaking love. Oh, this is a toner pad. I did not see that in here. That's really, really cool. I thought they were all face masks. Now, I can't really use toner all that much because my skin is so dry, so toner tends to dry out my skin even more. My mom can use it. But these two right here are face masks. It looks like one is coconut and grape, and then the other one is maybe aloe and lychee. I know this right here is lychee, but it looks really cute. I'm super excited. I may use this one later on today because I love face masks. We got a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff in here, you guys. So this right here is by the brand This Works, and it is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I've wanted to try a pillow spray for so long, but I've never actually got one before. This is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute. I like the square kind of bottle. Now, does it have a scent? Now, I can't smell much of a scent, but then again, I can't smell anything. Like, my nose sucks. But I will definitely try this, and I'll see what my boyfriend says about it, because he can smell things really well, so I'll have him smell this and tell me what he thinks, but I'm excited to use it. Next up, we've got something from, if I can grab it, we got something from Ahava? I don't know. This is the Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer. Oh, that's cool. It says for normal to dry skin. Dry skin is definitely for me, so since it's made for dry skin, maybe it'll be extra hydrating. But here is what it looks like. I do love trying new moisturizers because I'm always down to find one that works really well for me.
Ooh, it's thick.
I love that. I love thick moisturizer because I feel like it works if it's like super thick. Oh, that feels nice. So this is a day moisturizer. I'll have to use this. I will absolutely use this and try it out and see what I think. It feels really good. It feels great on the skin. I like it. Next up, we have something from Flesh. That's always such a weird name to me, but I don't know. This is the Flesh Highlighting Balm. Oh, that's fun. This looks to be like a little mini size, so super cute. It's in this shade Startle. You know, I've never been into cream highlighters or cream blush, but oh, this is pretty. But I know a lot of people are, so maybe I'll try this out. I need to find a brush that will work with something like this. Oh, so it's super, like, you can see this right here. It's kind of metallic. It's not very crazy bright or anything, but it is really pretty. Look at that, that's very pretty. I'll definitely try to use this. I hope it's not too light for my skin tone and that it's not like just a streak of white on my face, but we'll definitely give it a shot. Next up, we have a brush. This is, I don't know what brand. But, oh, it's from Farrah brushes. Oh, maybe this could actually work for, maybe not this highlighter, but this could actually work for like cream products. Like cream blush? Oh, heck yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Here's what it looks like. This is a really pretty brush, actually. It has a marble handle to it, and it has like a rose gold ferrule, and then the color of the brush is pink. It's pink. I love it. It's actually really cute, and I'm super excited because I think I can really use this for like cream products. Maybe even for like cream contour since it's like angled. I don't contour. What am I talking about? But like cream bronzer or cream blush, something like that. I'm super excited. Next up, we have something from it's nail polish. This is from Pretty Woman nail polish. It's in the shade Don't Be Jelly. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so this is actually a really cool fall, like winter color. I think this is what I'll do next time because this is a really pretty shade. It's not like super duper dark or anything, but it's like this kind of burgundy, aubergine kind of color. It's really pretty. I like these kinds of colors. Super hyped about that. I've never used this brand of polish before, so I'll try it out and see what I think. Next up, we have the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. Wow. This is really cool. I'm excited. I am not good with peel off masks usually, but it's honey. Hopefully it's not super painful, but we will see. Next up we have, God, we had so many things. We're still going, you guys. This is the Sugar. This is a black liquid liner. Oh my gosh, I hope it's not wood.
It's not wood!
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is just a regular black, did I say liquid liner? No, it's just a black pencil liner, but it's not wood. So creamy, oh my gosh. And then for this other one, I actually pressed down a little bit harder, but this is so nice, so creamy, very glidey. I think it's sparkly. It is, it's got little sparkles in it. Wow, so that's really cool. So if you want a liner with some sparkle in it, this is cool. I'm excited about this. Next up, we have this from Sweet Chef. This is the Beet Plus Vitamin A Serum Shot. Refines pores and smooths rough skin. It's vegan, cruelty-free, free of alcohol, parabens, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. Great. And this is, oh, it's so cute.
It's pink.
Oh, I love that. It's a serum, I reckon. So it is a serum. How to use. After cleaning and toning, apply serum on face with gentle tapping motions until absorbed. Follow with moisturizer. So really cool. I'm gonna try this tonight when I take my makeup off. Anything that helps hydrate or like smooth out my skin or anything like that, I'm super excited. We got two, oh my gosh, I didn't even see this. How did I not see this the entire time? We got two more things in the box. First up, we have this from Tarte, and this is the Tarte's lip paint, and it's in the shade Front Row. Ooh, I think this is actually something that I picked out. If I'm not mistaken, I think I actually picked this out, but I forgot about it. This is a liquid lipstick, it looks like. Ooh, it's like a burnt red, kind of burnt orange red shade. Very pretty. I'm super into that, and it's called Front Row. Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna try this later on. Very pretty shade. And then last, we have an actual palette. Oh my gosh, this is by the Balm. Very, very typical for the Balm to be in an Ipsy box. But it's called What's the Tea? Iced Eyeshadow Palette. Cool shades with eyelid primer. Huh. So it has primer already in here as well. That's very cool. Packaging is so cute. It's like an early like 1930s kind of thing. I hope this is the 30s. Please correct me if I'm wrong because I have no idea. But really cute packaging. And then opening it up here. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is really cute. Here's what the shades look like right here. And you do have two eyelid primers. You have a concealer and then you have just like a black primer. And then here are what the shades look like. They're so pretty. They have your neutral shades and you have some pop of color over here, some blues, some pinks. I'm digging it. That's so nice. Very pretty. So you guys, that's been everything in the box. Let's go over the little pamphlet right here to see. Oh, well, this is all the pamphlet is. Why do they not put like the price of things in these boxes? I swear it is so hard to figure out how much a box is worth. So it says the box is $120 plus value. I don't know. It is kind of weird that they don't put the prices of anything in here, but I have to be totally honest. I genuinely believe the box is worth 125 plus items. I genuinely think so. I think the stuff that we got is actually really nice and I'm super excited about everything. I know I'm just like putting stuff away as I'm talking to you, I'm sorry. But I really, really enjoyed everything I got in the box. I don't think there's anything that I'm just like, oh, okay. I don't think that there's anything in this box where I'm just like, this is kind of useless. No, I really like everything in the box. I think this box has been killer this month. So yeah, definitely an A for me for this box. I really have enjoyed it. But I wish they would start putting like the prices of stuff, because that's really weird. Like BoxyCharm does that. I know a lot of other subscription boxes do that, so why not Ipsy? Come on. But yeah, you guys, it has been the unboxing for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you got this box as well, did you get the same products that I did, or did you get a different variation? Please let me know in the comments. But yeah, you guys, if you did like the video, go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I posted when I post them, click the little bell down the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!